So, I've been trying to learn Angular animations. Trying is the key word there. At this point, I'm convinced animations were invented just for fun. Like someone at Google was sitting there thinking, you know what developers need? A new way to question their life choices. I started simple. I was like, okay, I just want a div to fade in. That's it. Nothing fancy, just appear. That's all I asked. And the Angular docs are like, step 1, import browser animations module. All right, that makes sense. You gotta tell Angular you want animations. Cool. Step 2, define a trigger with a transition inside an animation metadata array. Okay, I don't know what that means, but I'm still here. Step 3, create states with transitions using ease in, ease out, and cubic Bezier timing functions. And I'm out. I was like, all right, let's start small. I just want this div to fade in. That's it, fade in, simple. And 2 hours later, I have keyframes, transitions, cubic Bezier curves. I somehow have an explosion effect in there. I don't even know how that happened. I refreshed the page and my button flew in like a Marvel superhero. Oh, and don't get me started on the timing functions. Ease in, ease out, cubic Bezier, 0.68, negative 0.55, 0.27, 1.55. I don't know who made that up, but that's not a timing function. That's Morse code. And the docs are like, just tweak the numbers until it looks right. Oh, sure, let me just sit here casually inventing physics, like I'm working at NASA. But my favorite moment, the first time I got an animation to actually work. I spent hours on it, hours. And finally, the div faded in perfectly. I was so proud, I showed it to my wife. She was like, oh, yeah, it just appears. I said, yeah. But it took 4 files and a PhD in computer science to make that happen. Now, I'm adding animations everywhere. Hover effects, animated. Page transitions, animated. 404 pages. Oh, they're dramatic. You land on a broken link in my app, and the page slowly fades out, like it's sad for you. It's like, I'm sorry, you're lost. Goodbye. And that's the danger, right? You start with one animation, and before you know it, you've got a full-blown cinematic universe. At this point, I don't even care if the app works. As long as it looks amazing while crashing, I'm happy. Thank you, everybody. You've been great. Thank you. Thanks. See you next time.